Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shane's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 23. Thank you guys for joining me all this way for Cookmas, where I'm giving you guys daily videos for the holiday season in the month of December. Today's recipe is going to be quick and easy but still full of flavor. We're going to go ahead and make some marinated mozzarella balls. So we're going to make this cheese appetizer that you can quickly toss together with just a simple marinade, some herbs and seasonings, and you can put it on a charcuterie board or on an antipasto platter. So it's perfect for a holiday occasion, get together, or if you just want a light snack. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here we have the marinated mozzarella balls. They are full of flavor and go well with items for a charcuterie board. As you can see here, I just paired it with what I had on hand at the moment. But go ahead and accompany it with whatever you like. The mozzarella balls will still definitely be the star of the show. Felt like they were pretty festive too for the holidays with the red and the green accents. But delicious little bites of mozzarella, guys. Surely go ahead and give this one a try. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried this before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.